Have you ever been curious about the world's most iconic buildings that stand tall and majestic? Hey tech enthusiasts, today we bring you the groundbreaking construction technologies that are worth your attention. But before moving ahead, make sure to hit that subscribe button. 1. Drystack. Two pioneering companies, Stone Cycling and Drystack, embarked on a unique journey. Stone Cycling was renowned for crafting sustainable building materials from waste, while Drystack introduced an innovative bricklaying technique. Their collaboration was nothing short of a modern-day fairy tale. Together, they introduced eco-conscious bricks that don't require mortar. These bricks, designed with unique perforations, are seamlessly connected using a distinctive insert, mirroring the simplicity of assembling Lego blocks. The benefits are manifold. These structures can be effortlessly set up and taken down, are weather-resistant, and eliminate the need for mortar, leading to cost savings. Moreover, this approach allows for construction without specialized skills. While the concept isn't entirely new, its masterminds acknowledge refining the age-old Drystack technique. 2. ECSOEN ICF. Drawing inspiration from Lego simplicity, the insulated concrete form system stands out with its efficiency. For every square meter of a wall, you'll need just 3 blocks, each weighing 4 kilograms. These blocks can endure temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, acting as a thermos for concrete. This design facilitates the swift construction of walls or foundations by a small team in just 2 to 4 days, without the need for heavy machinery or prior preparations. Primarily made of expanded polyester with a graphite filter for added strength, this innovative system is priced at a competitive $103 per square meter. 3. Akustikpaneel Nordje. Were you aware that a UN report from last year labeled the escalating noise levels as a serious environmental threat to our health? The situation is particularly alarming in Europe, where 48,000 new instances of coronary heart disease are linked to noise pollution each year. Consequently, acoustic panels have transitioned from luxury items to vital necessities in many countries. Responding to this need, manufacturers are now offering aesthetically appealing options. One such product, crafted with oak veneer, seamlessly blends into residential and office settings. These panels, which can be installed using glue or nails, incorporate filters made from recycled plastic, promoting environmental sustainability. A popular choice is the 1.5 by 30 by 240 centimeter panel, priced at $86. This versatile panel can be utilized not just for walls and ceilings, but also for furnishing elements like bed headboards. 4. Earthmother dry floor heating. China's construction sector is truly remarkable. Take, for instance, their achievement in June 2021, where they erected a 10-story building in just 29 hours. A significant factor in such rapid construction is the frequent use of panels designed for swift underfloor heating installation. As noted by manufacturers, these panels have also gained traction in the European market. They offer numerous benefits, such as flexibility, air conditioning compatibility, durability, and various tailored options for distinct projects. A notable example is the silver variant for the CN130D, enhanced with aluminum foil and boasting a thickness of 2.8 centimeters. This panel ensures rapid and uniform heating. Moreover, users can adjust the temperature by soaring up to 45 degrees Celsius. 5. LifeWall. Craft your personal haven, urge the creators of LifeWall. Behind this compelling slogan and evocative name lie panels with compartments designed to house various plants. Initiating a project comes with a base price tag of $10,000, encompassing a comprehensive 60-day process that includes everything from initial sketches to the final installation. These panels offer a transformative touch to various spaces, from homes to commercial venues like cafes or poolside areas. Originating in India, the LifeWall team successfully executes over 3 projects. Given the alarming environmental statistics, with breathing in Delhi equated to the inhalation of 50 cigarettes daily, the appeal and demand for such green initiatives are undeniable. 6. Eco-Facade. Looking for the quickest and simplest way to insulate your home or apartment? Introducing thermal panels that eliminate the need for mesh, plaster, or paint. Adhere these panels to your wall, and the job's done. These panels offer a selection of 4 designs: marble chips, brick, wood, and stone, ensuring aesthetic appeal and promise efficiency. A trio of workers can cover 200 square meters in 4 days. Moreover, these panels are a breeze to handle, being 5 times lighter than clinker handles, and can be easily tailored using a standard knife. According to a company representative, this user-friendliness translates to practical DIY home improvement, a route chosen by 1 in 3 customers. Furthermore, these 50mm thick panels are economically priced at $15.50 per square meter, making installation easy and affordable. 7. Tegola and Cotto Fotovoltaica. As policymakers ponder ways to stabilize soaring electricity costs, individuals are turning to alternative energy solutions. A prime example is the innovative roof tiles, equipped with integrated photovoltaic cells, which merge technology and aesthetics seamlessly. Notably, Tesla is venturing into similar territories, with Elon Musk envisioning a system capable of generating approximately 10 kilowatts of energy for a home spanning 185 square meters. The model showcased here is not only a powerhouse of energy generation, but also features a ventilation duct, making it resilient to the sweltering summer heat. A remarkable aspect of the system is its automated mechanism. If a single photovoltaic cell malfunctions, it anonymously shuts down, preventing any disruption to the overall system. 8. Stormwater. Effective water drainage is crucial for isolated projects and urban infrastructure. Turning our attention to the experts who craft these drainage systems with the collaborative design efforts of engineers and environmental scientists. The resultant system, displayed here, boosts reliability, allowing for stacking 3 pipes on top of one another without compromising stability. The added sediment trap devices address ecological concerns by trapping waste and neutralizing certain contaminants. This drainage solution offers a 30% cost advantage over comparable systems. This cost efficiency stems from the ease of transporting and installing the components, and the affordable $50 price tag for cleaning a single trap. 9. Dincel. In 2013, analysis revealed that Australia's real estate prices were on par with those of France and Germany. Yet, the high construction cost led over 40% of construction firms to report losses. Local experts introduced a polymer framework punctuated with holes to counter these expenses. This innovative solution is user-friendly. Simply tailor the framework for the desired dimensions and pour in the concrete. It is resilient, enduring earthquakes of magnitude 9, resists harsh chemicals like sulfuric and hydrochloric acid, and is effortlessly transportable without cranes. It can also withstand prolonged exposure to seawater and wastewater, all while costing up to 5 times less than alternative methods. For those interested, the website offers a unique configurator to select the ideal formwork for standard projects. Once you submit a project-specific application, the pricing details will be shared. 10. Insulfoam Geofoam. On the 12th of June 2019, US Route 36 in Colorado, a critical link between 2 cities, began showing signs of distress with visible cracks. In a short span, the situation escalated, leading to a total collapse of the roadway. While it was a relief that no casualties occurred, immediate repair plans were imperative. The primary considerations for the restoration were swift execution and ensuring safety. The solution lay in utilizing EPS blocks, known for their lightweight yet sturdy nature, effectively lessening the ground burden. The massive repair operation involved over 6,100 of these blocks, spanning 2 rigorous months of work. These blocks, cumulatively accounting for over 24,000 cubic yards, were produced across 6 facilities. The logistics were equally impressive, with over 200 trucks mobilized for the task, and each block measuring 98 by 48 by 40 inches. 11. EconoGrid 40, presenting a sustainable alternative to traditional asphalt and concrete surfaces. The creators introduce a universal grid system. Despite their seemingly delicate structure, these elements boast a remarkable, load-bearing capacity of up to 15 tons per square foot, making them suitable for various applications, including playgrounds and parking lots. Crafted from recycled high-density polyethylene, the system not only stands as an eco-friendly option, but also promotes natural grass growth and efficient water drainage due to its unique construction. The grids with standard dimensions of 51.1 by 21 by 1.8 inches can be tailored to specific needs with clean cuts. Moreover, the ease of connecting these grids ensures a hassle-free and speedy installation process. This innovative solution is available at an approximate cost of $30 per square meter. 12. Akfix Polyurea. Presenting a sustainable alternative to traditional asphalt and concrete surfaces, the creators introduce a universal grid system. Despite their seemingly delicate structure, these elements boast a remarkable load-bearing capacity of up to 15 tons per square foot, making them suitable for various applications like playgrounds and parking lots. Made from recycled high-density polyethylene, the system is an eco-friendly option, promoting natural grass growth and efficient water drainage. The grids, with standard dimensions of 51.1 by 21 by 1.8 inches, can be tailored to specific needs with clean cuts. Connecting these grids ensures a hassle-free and speedy installation process. This innovative solution is available at an approximate cost of $30 per square meter. 13. PaveFast. In France and Arabia, there's a swift transition towards the innovative PaveFast system. for laying paving stones. This system employs a unique combination of a 1.5-inch grid frame coupled with 0.5-inch paving stones. Once the installation is complete, the surface is immediately ready to bear vehicular traffic. The sections can be removed easily, granting access to underlying utilities like pipes or cables. The installation process is easy and can be done with minimum tools. The system offers 3 color palettes to harmonize with the chosen paving stone hue. 14. Installing the foundation and insulation. Here's a glimpse into the operations of a construction firm based in Poland. They are in the process of crafting a functional and well-designed single-story residence. The blueprint is tailored for a plot measuring 65 by 56 feet. This standard layout is conceptualized for a family of 4 to 5 members, encompassing a spacious living area with a kitchen and dining space, 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a dedicated boiler room. The construction utilizes aerated concrete blocks for the walls, and once completed, the structure will stand approximately 20 feet tall. The estimated cost for this building is around $33,800. However, the design is flexible, allowing for modifications per client preferences. Options include selecting between a gable roof or a fully pitched one, and there's even the possibility of incorporating a livable attic space. That wraps up our list of incredible construction technologies that are worth seeing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up while you are still here. Click the videos on the screen to get more insight into the tech world.